Lows in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 20%. Wednesday, mostly sunny with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for central Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated nearly stationary thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Murfreesboro and Walter Hill. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.